Hello everyone, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Hibernate function on Ubuntu. Unlike Suspend, which uses battery power to keep RAM alive, Hibernate saves everything to your hard drive and shuts down completely. This is a great way for saving power. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now first, not every computer supports hibernation out of the box. We need to check if your hardware allows it or not. So to check that, open your terminal by going to the Apps menu, then Terminal. Now in your terminal, just simply copy and paste a simple command that is provided in the description box below. So directly paste it right over here. Paste. cat /sys/power/state and hit Enter. Now when you press Enter, you are looking for a word called disk in the output. And if you see something like memdisk, that means your computer supports hibernation. If you only see mem, that means you can only suspend, not hibernate. So hibernate works by copying everything from your RAM memory to your hard drive, or swap space. So your swap space needs to be at least as big as your RAM. So let's check that size. Simply copy and paste this simple command. Paste. free space -h and hit Enter. Now over here, look at the swap row and make sure the total number is roughly the same or bigger than the memory total. If it is too small, Hibernate might fail. So currently you will see that in my system it is completely 0 because my system is currently running on a virtual machine, so it will not show the swap size over here. But for you, there will be a size. Now it should be bigger or the same amount if you want the hibernation to work perfectly. And finally, if you want to trigger the hibernation instantly from the command line, there is a specific command that you have to type, so you can find that in the description box below. Just simply copy and paste it right over here. Paste. sudo systemctl hibernate. Now, I am not going to hit Enter right now, because if I do, my computer might shut down, and the recording will stop. But for you, hitting Enter will instantly save your work and power off the machine instantly. And when you turn it back on, all your apps will be exactly where you left them. So that's it. You now know how to check for and trigger hibernation in Ubuntu. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.